Bezant is a medieval term for a gold coin. Medievally, originally it meant the gold coins produced by the government of the Byzantine Empire. The word was derived from the Greek Byzantium. Later in the medieval era among the Latins, the scope of the word was expanded to gold coins produced by Arabic governments. Medieval history. Gold coins were rarely minted in early medieval Western Europe, up until the later 13th century. Gold coins were almost continually produced by the Byzantines and medieval Arabs. These circulated in Western European trade in smallish numbers, originating from the coinage mints of the Eastern Mediterranean. In Western Europe, the gold coins of Byzantine currency were highly prized. These gold coins were commonly called bezants. The first bezants were the Byzantine solida coins, minted at a constant weight and purity since the time of Constantine I until the mid-11th century. Later the name was applied to the hypopyra, which replaced the solida in Constantinople in the late 11th century. The name hypopyron was used by the late medieval Greeks, while the name bezant was used by the late medieval Latin merchants for the same coin. The Italians also used the name purpuro or papero for the same coin. Medievally, from the 12th century onward, the Western European term bezant also meant the gold dinar coins minted by Islamic governments. The Islamic coins were originally modeled on the Byzantine solidus during the early years after the onset of Islam. The term bezant was used in the late medieval Republic of Venice to refer to the Egyptian gold dinar. Marco Polo used the term bezant in the account of his travels to East Asia when describing the currencies of the Yuan Empire around the year 1300. His descriptions were based on the conversion of 1 bezant equals 20 groats equals 133 1/3 tornesol. An Italian merchant's handbook dated about 1340, Pratica della Mercatura by Pegalotti, used the term bezant for coins of North Africa, Cyprus, Armenia and Tabriz, whereas it used the term papero for the Byzantine Bizant. Gold coinage began to be reintroduced to Western Europe in 1252 when the city of Florence began minting gold coins known as florins. Bezants in heraldry. In heraldry, a roundel of a gold color is referred to as a bezant, in reference to the coin. Like many heraldic charges, the bezant originated during the Crusading era, when Western European knights first came into contact with Byzantine gold coins, and were perhaps struck with their fine quality and purity. During the Fourth Crusade, the city of Constantinople was sacked by Western forces. During this sacking of the richest city of Europe, the gold bezant would have been very much in evidence, many of the knights no doubt having helped themselves very liberally to the booty. This event took place at the very dawn of the widespread adoption of arms by the knightly class, and thus it may have been an obvious symbol for many returned crusaders to use in their new arms. When arms are strewn with bezants, the term bezante or bezanti is used.